My name is Chris Cannon. I'm with Global Visionaries. It's a youth leadership nonprofit. Our mission is to empower youth to become global leaders in creating a just and sustainable future. I practiced that before I got up here. We currently have a website that's hosted through SharePoint, which is kind of like an onion. It's dense, it has layers, and it'll make you cry. It's wonderful on the back end for document storage and team sites and all of that stuff, but it's really cumbersome, we found, to use for the public site hosting. So we came here with user profiles, and we wanted a more streamlined approach and a more logical layout to our website. It's something that wouldn't be confined to one little section of the page.
One moment, please.
So our website, before we got here, everything was left justified. We couldn't get it out of that half of the page. So we had half the page that was just blank, really dark black headings, just wasn't really appealing. I would show you, but we didn't even get a screenshot of it. So what we first did is create user profiles, so we knew who was going to our website, what information they needed. And then we created a wire framework for that so that we could lay out all the information appropriate to each user. Then we created other PowerPoint renditions of it. Whoa. Yeah, as we started peeling back layers, there weren't templates we could find that fit our needs. So we downloaded a template that was close, and then we started changing the code in it to be wider, to take up the page, to have a revolving carousel with clickable links. This is the old one. So the scrolling pictures are just a GIF that somebody created and dropped in there. You can see how it's all crammed into one side. So the page is long and narrow with buttons that were created in PowerPoint and then drums on the side. I did that, don't judge. So if you click, oh, never mind. I won't show you the framework, even though it looks lovely. As we started changing the code in the downloaded template, it didn't meet all of our needs. Today somebody came in who had more experience with SharePoint, so she started going in and showing me how it should have been set up from the beginning. And we discovered that we have some big functional problems in how SharePoint was deployed within our organization. So we reverted everything back to this current stage, except the header is now white instead of black. That's the only big thing we fixed today. And we have kind of a game plan for some solutions in the future to overcome some of the problems we have. As a small nonprofit trying to deploy things without paying technical expertise to come in, we created some problems we'll have to work on. But I think we came away with a good understanding of what we need to do next and some of the issues that we've been creating workarounds for instead of fixing up the source. So that was really